Getting ready for a little day hike.
No.
Going up to the falls. Tristan's wicked excited about going, clearly. Her pack, little day pack, an Osprey. Me, I carry a Kuiu Icon Pro. Pretty much wherever I go for day hikes. Hunting. Trish getting her boots ready. Sorry for the messy room.
Yeah, don't
More tomorrow. What you think? Think it's good. Getting ready to hike up. We're going to take the Falls Creek Purple Trail. Debo's ready. It's my pretty wife. We're all going on this adventure today. And we're off. Up the trail we go. Just like they said. Starts off straight uphill. We'll catch up later. We're gonna get some elevation under our belt. Here we go.
And I saw a couple of fishies.
Oh, the conversations that happen on the trail with a 4-year-old. We keep going. There was just snow up here in the mountains. We got our first trees down over the trail that ain't been cleared yet. I'm not certain that this will do this any beauty, but it's absolutely gorgeous. We're getting closer. We're gonna get down into there a little bit more and see if we can't have a little picnic lunch. Wife and 4-year-old making it down. Being an absolute trooper. Y'all get outside and enjoy it. What y'all think? We made it! The mist feels absolutely incredible. December 29th. We're all sweating. Looking out over the mountains. The mist feels great. Lunchtime on the mountain. What are you having? Lasagna Mountain House. Jetboil, chicken and dumplings. Some more folks on the trail. Got the kitchen set up. Haley chilling. We got the Lecky trekking poles as part of our gear today. That's the Yeti that brought us up some water. Tristan's having some lasagna. Wife's got lasagna. Number 1 daughter's got chicken and dumplings. And there ain't no telling what's going on down there. Let's just focus back up with the girls. The girls is happy. You feed girls? Haley, what did you do for the first time today? Tell the world. Tell them. Hey, tell them what you did. You peed in the woods? That a girl. So did Emma.